For a while, it looked like Fitbit might quietly fade after Google's takeover, slowly losing its identity in the wearable space. But instead of shutting it down, Google pulled a surprising reversal and brought it back in a completely new form, the Fitbit Air. This ultralight screenless tracker feels like a reset button for the entire lineup, keeping Fitbit alive, but in a more minimal, modern direction. Now it steps directly into a tough matchup against Whoop 5.0, a performance-first tracker built around deep recovery analytics. What makes this comparison interesting is not just specs, but two completely different philosophies clashing head-on. Enjoy. The Fitbit Air is built around extreme minimalism. The Sensor Pebble weighs only 5.2 grams, or 12 grams with the Performance Loop Band, making it one of the lightest passive trackers in this category. Its compact 34.9 by 17 times 8.3 millimeter body uses recycled polycarbonate and PBT plastics, and it keeps interaction minimal with just a status LED and haptic motor. In contrast, the Whoop 5.0 is physically larger and heavier at around 26.5 grams, measuring 34.7 by 24 by 10.6 millimeters, but it uses a more robust build with super knit fabric bands and a refined housing. While Fitbit wins on ultralight comfort and invisibility on the wrist, Whoop wins on durability and premium wearability feel. Fitbit Air is rated 5 ATM, meaning up to 50 meters of water resistance, making it suitable for swimming and general aquatic use. Whoop 5.0 goes further with an IP68 rating, supporting submersion up to 10 meters for 2 hours. While Fitbit technically allows deeper rated pressure resistance, Whoop's IP68 certification gives more real-world durability confidence in prolonged exposure scenarios. Fitbit Air delivers up to 7 days of battery life, with a 90-minute full charge and a fast charge feature where 5 minutes gives up to 1 day of use. However, it requires removal during charging. Whoop 5.0 dramatically extends endurance with 14+ days of battery life and introduces its Power Pack system, allowing charging while wearing the device, or a wired charger if preferred. Although its full charge takes longer 110 to 152 minutes depending on method, the real advantage is uninterrupted wearability, due to its true always-on charging system and double battery endurance. Both devices are surprisingly advanced, but take slightly different philosophies. Fitbit Air includes an optical heart rate sensor, 3-axis accelerometer, gyroscope, SpO2 via red and infrared sensors, and skin temperature monitoring. Whoop 5.0 uses a high-precision optical heart rate sensor sampling data 25 to 26 times per second, plus accelerometer, gyroscope, SpO2, and skin temperature tracking. Both lack built-in GPS and rely on phone-connected GPS. However, Whoop clearly prioritizes higher-frequency physiological sampling, especially for heart rate accuracy during strain and recovery analysis. Fitbit Air focuses on accessibility, 24/7 heart rate tracking, HRV, AFib irregular rhythm alerts, sleep staging with sleep score and nap detection, plus 140+ automatic workout modes. It is more consumer-friendly and broader in exercise coverage. Whoop 5.0, however, is deeply performance-oriented, focusing heavily on recovery, strain, and long-term physiological adaptation metrics, especially when paired with its tiered subscription system offering advanced health span and even medical-grade ECG and blood pressure insights in higher tiers. Fitbit is more balanced, while Whoop is more specialized and analytics-heavy. Fitbit Air is straightforward, a one-time purchase at around $99 for standard or $129.99 for special edition, with no mandatory subscription requirement. Whoop 5.0, on the other hand, is entirely subscription-based, ranging from £169 per year up to £349 per year, depending on tier, with ongoing access required for full functionality. While Whoop justifies this with deeper analytics and evolving insights, Fitbit Air wins significantly on affordability and ownership simplicity. Thank you for tuning in. In the end, it's a clear split between simplicity and depth. Fitbit Air is great for lightweight comfort and simple tracking, while Whoop 5.0 offers detailed performance data, better recovery insights, longer battery life, and a more advanced ecosystem. Despite its subscription model, Whoop provides greater value for health optimization. Which approach fits you better? Would you prefer simple wellness tracking or detailed performance analytics?